Well, the president's diagnosis has sent reporters and government officials scrambling to determine who may have been exposed. CBS 2's Jasmine Veal continues our team coverage tonight with a look at the importance of contact tracing to stop the spread.
Hours after President Trump announced he and the First Lady tested positive for COVID-19, the White House announced it had already begun contact tracing. It's still unclear how many people may have been exposed.
More than anything, this does point out that everybody's vulnerable.
Jeff Guzzenhauser with the LA County Department of Public Health says contact tracing is a very critical step and is fairly simple if people are willing to cooperate.
The difficulties might be having access and with their busy schedule and being able to talk with people. There may be some national security issues of who they can, what information they can share.
He says the White House won't need to contact everyone the president has been in front of, like at a fundraiser yesterday in New Jersey, a recent rally in Minnesota, or the debate in Cleveland Tuesday.
In general, if you have a speaker up here and the audience is pretty far away, what we know from coronavirus is the virus shouldn't spread that far distance.
LA Mayor Eric Garcetti was there in Cleveland that night, as you can see in this video from CBS News, wearing a mask, but in close proximity with other people. Garcetti's office says he followed all the safety protocols, had no interaction with Trump or his family, and tested negative for COVID-19 yesterday morning. Already today, Republican Senator Mike Lee of Utah said he tested positive. He attended the White House Supreme Court nomination ceremony last Saturday, where he was seen shaking hands and hugging people in the Rose Garden. University of Notre Dame's president, Reverend John Jenkins, also announced today he tested positive for the coronavirus with mild symptoms after attending the same event without wearing a mask. Supreme Court nominee Judge Amy Coney Barrett says she tested negative. The president and Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden argued over the importance of wearing masks when they shared the debate stage Tuesday.
I don't wear masks like him. Every time you see him, he's got a mask.
But Dr. Guzzenhauser says that's how these infections can be prevented.
I think one thing that's a really important lesson here, face coverings work.
It is not yet clear when and how the president contracted the virus. And Democratic vice presidential nominee Kamala Harris and her husband say they are still out campaigning after testing negative. I'm Jasmine Veal, CBS 2 News.